In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Gemini AI on Android. If you've been curious about trying Google's latest AI assistant on your phone, this walkthrough will get you up and running in just a few minutes. We'll keep things simple and make sure you know what to expect along the way. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, use Wi-Fi so the download goes smoothly. If your device asks to update the Play Store, let it finish before you continue. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Gemini. You should see the official Gemini app from Google appear in the results. Look for the listing that clearly shows it's by Google, so you know you're installing the genuine app. If you see similarly named apps, double-check the developer name and icon to avoid installing the wrong one. Now, tap Install. The download time will vary depending on your connection. If your device mentions available space or permissions, follow the on-screen guidance to continue. It's normal for an AI assistant to request certain permissions so it can function properly, but you can always review and adjust those later in your device settings. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to use Gemini. The app will guide you with clear prompts on your screen to set things up. Take a moment to read each prompt carefully. You may be asked to agree to terms, choose your preferred language or region, and allow specific permissions like the microphone if you plan to use voice. You might also see options related to how Gemini interacts with your device or other Google services. Go at your own pace and select what makes sense for you. As you finish the initial setup, you'll land on the main Gemini experience where you can start asking questions, drafting messages, planning tasks, or exploring creative ideas. If at any point you want to fine-tune your preferences, look for settings within the app to adjust permissions, notifications, and other controls. Availability of some features can vary by country and device, so if you don't see a particular option, it may roll out to you later. That's it. Open the Play Store, search for Gemini, install, and then follow the prompts on your screen. With that, you're all set to explore Google Gemini AI on Android. Enjoy experimenting and take your time learning what it can do for you.